Aloha, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at high details buffing pads and polishing compounds. These pads are made from German closed cell foam. They're washable, reusable, and built to last. The set includes 5 pads, from heavy cut all the way down to ultra-fine polishing. Each pad features a 6-inch face with a 5-inch hook and loop backing. That means a secure fit and no flying pads during use. The fast cut compound is silicone free and body shop safe. And while it's not required, the Ultra Gloss Glaze was engineered to give you that true show car shine if you want to take your finish to the next level. The paint on this car has definitely seen better days, but with high detail system, we're bringing it back to life in no time. I start by cleaning the panel with some wax and grease remover. For the purpose of this video, I didn't bother taping the edges. Here we're making a couple of passes with the heavy cut pad and compound. You can see a slight hazy area above the taillight where I ran the buffer dry. Not to worry, it'll come off on the next pass. And here's the paint after just a few passes, glossy, revived, and looking wet again. I quickly made one pass with the Ultra Gloss Glaze and black polishing pad. Check out the before and after. Faded tired paint restored to a deep gloss using the high detail system. You can find all of these products and more on our website, high-detail.com. As always, mahalo for watching.